So there's what the valve looks like when it's all assembled. Hello everybody, I'm Adrian, and here I got this F-150 I'm trying to bring back to life. So got a lot of stuff going on, but so had a bad fuel pump, rusty tank, went ahead and put a brand new pump, brand new fuel tank, and I was trying to spin it, and I didn't have fuel pressure. So then I narrowed it down to this valve. This is a dual tank setup, so we got our two supplies, our two returns, supply here, a return over here, but I didn't have any fuel coming out of my supply from this valve, so I had fuel going into it. And everywhere online that I looked, nobody knew like the exact cause of the problem. They just said, well, the selector valve is bad. So I've already tested this, but I went ahead and took it apart again. So here was the problem. So we have this little O-ring right here, and yeah, $74 O-ring was the problem. I went ahead and took this back apart, but this diaphragm here gets pushed, the fuel goes in here through this housing right here, fuel comes up here and it pushes it down, and that allows flow to pass. So I had so I've already had this checked, and fuel does pass through, but went ahead and took it back apart to show this, just because this part, I looked it up in AutoZone and it was $304 plus tax, and in my case this ended up being a 74-cent problem, because that's how much this O-ring was. And I went ahead and got one that was fuel resistant, just because there's different kinds of materials out there. So I'd recommend getting a premium O-ring. So the O-ring needs to be able to seal this as well as to let the fuel pass through. So there's my new O-ring. So I gotta bolt it up and secure my lines, but there. So here's where the valve goes, right by the frame.